Welcome to online session of Power Plant Engineering. My name is Vishal Acharya. Today we will discuss about general layout modern thermal power plant is chapter related to thermal power plant. The entire arrangement for the sake of the simplicity we must be divided into the four parts. First is the coal and air handling circuit. Second is air and fuel gas circuit. Third is the steam and feed water circuit. And last is the cold water circuit. First, coal circuit. Here coal is coming from the coal mine to the power plant by the out plant handling system. Here the requirement of the component for the coal unloading, it is totally depend upon the types of the out plant handling like railways, waterways, road transport and ropeways. Then coal is transferred to the coal preparation or coal storage. Coal preparation is requirement for the combustion. The coal delivery in the form of the big lumps. We require the pulverized coal so that here coal preparation is a necessary step for the coal combustion. Coal is the preparation is achieved by the crusher, breaker, magnetic separator, vibrator and another component like pulverized mill. Then coal transferred to the bunker. In the bunker storage, coal storage is provided for the continuous production of electricity. In the coal bunker to transfer to the boiler by the hopper. Here coal transferred to the boiler by the help of the belt conveyor, screw conveyor or any transfer equipment used for the coal transfer. Here coal handling plant to the transfer to the grate or spreader. Spreader is provided to spread the coal on the grate. The entire arrangement called storage yard to the furnace of the boiler. This system is called the in-plant handling system. In the air boiler, combustion will be start and as is the product of the fuel combustion or coal combustion. Here as is connected two types. First is the fly ash collector and second is the bottom ash. The 20% of ash is collected by the hopper from the bottom of the boiler and is transferred by the scrape conveyor to the ash handling system. Here ash is handled by the mechanical ash handling system, hydraulic ash handling system and pneumatic ash handling system and ash is transferred to the ash storage. Here different arrangement for the ash storage and ash is transferred to the building industry for the as a ingredient material like concrete and another ash is disposed by the dispose arrangement. In the boiler we require the air for the combustion. The atmospheric air is entered by the help of the forced draft fan. Here forced draft fan is increase the pressure of air and supply to the air preheater. Air preheater is device which convert to low pressurized and low temperatures air convert to the high temperatures air and high temperature air supply to the boiler for improving the efficiency of boiler for the combustion method. For the combustion, they produce the hot gases and hot gases is transferred to the superheater. In a superheater, is device like a heat exchanger. It convert to the waste steam to the superheated steam with constant pressure with the help of the heat of fuel gas. Superheater to the transfer the fuel gas to economizer. In a economizer, is water is preheated before the supply to the boiler with the help of the heat of fuel gas or hot gas. An economizer to transfer to the fuel gas. Air preheater. In a air preheater, air is temperature increase by the help of the fuel gases or hot gases. Air filter to supply to the dust collector. Dust collector is a device which remove the fly ash particle and dust particle before to enter to the atmosphere. Dust collector to the fuel gas is transferred to the chimney. Chimney is a rod system which is transfer or which is transferred to the air and fuel gases. Chimney, the main function is the require the pressure difference in the boiler so that the required amount of air is entered to the boiler for the combustion and remove the hot gases from the boiler to the atmosphere is called the draft or system. This entire arrangement for the hot gas and air circuit. First, air enter to the atmosphere to the air filter to the boiler is air circuit. Boiler hot gases produced in the boiler and boiler to the transfer to the superheater to transfer to the economizer, economizer to the air preheater, air preheater to the dust collector and dust collector to the chimney, chimney to the atmosphere. This circuit is hot gases circuit. Our next circuit is steam and feed water circuit. In the boiler, water is converted into the steam. For the higher pressure and higher temperature required in the thermal power plant of steam. So, we transfer the waste steam to the superheater. Superheater is converted waste steam to the superheated steam. The super steam is passed through the steam turbine. Steam turbine is a device which is convert the flow energy of steam and heat energy of steam to the mechanical energy, and the force and higher pressure steam expand in the turbine so that turbine shaft is rotated and produce the mechanical energy. Here steam turbine shaft is connected to the generator. A generator is a device which convert the mechanical energy of electrical energy, and again the produce the electricity and electricity transferred by the transformer or electrical device. Here high pressurized steam is expanded in the steam turbine and converted into the low pressurized steam. Low pressurized steam is passed through the condenser. Here the condenser is a device as a is action which convert to the low pressurized steam to the water. Here feed water circuit is start. Here first condenser water or condensed water pass through the low pressure feed water heater. In the low pressure feed water heater, water is heated by the help of the steam from the steam turbine. Then feed water is transferred to the deaerator. Deaerator is device which remove the dissolved gases and oxygen from the feed water with the help of the extraction of the steam from the steam turbine. Again, transfer to the feed water to the high pressure feed water. Here, steam here water is converted into the higher temperature water with the help of the extension of the steam at higher point of steam turbine. Here feed water temperature is increased and then transfer the feed water to the economizer. In the economizer is device which convert the water into the waste stream before the pass through the boiler, and economizer transfer to the water into the boiler for the cooling purpose. This is the feed water circuit. In a steam circuit, boiler in a boiler, water is converted into the steam. Steam pass to the superheater, superheater to the steam turbine, and steam turbine to condenser. Then condenser water is transferred to the low pressure water heater, low pressure feed water heater to the deaerator, deaerator to high pressure feed water heater, and then transferred to the economizer, economizer to the boiler. Our last circuit is the cold water circuit. In the condenser, high pressurized or steam is converted into the low pressurized, and low pressurized steam we convert to the water. For the cooling medium requirement, here cooling medium we use the river, canal, and also use the cooling pond and cooling tower. In this diagram we use the cooling water for cooling tower. Here the high pressurized or low pressurized steam pass through the cooling tower. In the cooling tower converted into the cold water and again supply to the condenser. So here continuous supply of from the condenser hot water and cooling tower supply to the cold water, and this for the cold water circuit. Here the cooling water evaporation rates and some equipment are steam losses. So we require the extra makeup water. So we require extra makeup water. We transfer to the extra makeup water with the help of the river. We require the water is dissolved materials like salt, calcium, magnesium for the prevention of the corrosion. So we require the water treatment part. Water treatment is the method for the impurity of the water. This is the general layout of modern thermal power plant. Thank you.